Today, I'm going to give you guys some ideas for quick and easy, on the go type of meals other than just going out for takeout or going to restaurants because honestly, that gets expensive. Yeah, so these are going to be no cook options or really easy to cook options. So these are perfect for road trips, perfect if you're traveling around a lot. Like for me, I travel a lot, I'm always on the go, and sometimes I just need something really easy to make that's hopefully still a little bit healthy. Now, some of these options aren't going to be healthy, but most of them are because I prefer to eat pretty good. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with ready to eat options that you don't have to do anything, they're already ready to go. So these are gonna be things that you can get from the grocery store that are packaged. Things like going into the grocery deli and getting one of their pre-made meals that they made. So sandwiches, wraps, salads, and you can also get things like bagged salads. Like I love those bagged salads that have all the goodies in it, like the dressing and the toppings and stuff. And then you could even add some like canned meat to it, or you could buy some pre-cooked meat in the deli too. So I often get like the pre-cooked rotisserie chicken. And the cool thing is I'm seeing it more in the stores here in Canada at least, where they will actually like break apart, put a bunch of pieces into a container, and then that way you don't have to worry about the bones and all that stuff. And sometimes I like to just have some more snacky stuff like protein bars, or you could get protein shakes, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, some high protein snacks. Then you can add berries, and with the yogurt you could add granola, so it actually makes it pretty filling. And that's something I usually do for lunches. Like lunches are more snacky for me, and then breakfast and dinner I do more of the actual meals. Okay, so staying in the no cook options but having to do like a little bit of prep, something easy to do is to get either a loaf of bread, some wraps or pitas, and then you can do something as simple as like peanut butter and jam sandwiches. You can get some deli meat and cheese and hummus and vegetables and put that all together for a sandwich or wrap. So yeah, there's lots of options there once you have your bread and whatever condiments and fillings that you want. Another idea is to do like a mini charcuterie, so you can get crackers, meat, cheese. So it's basically the same thing as having a sandwich or a wrap, but you're just having everything on the side as kind of like a snacky option. Okay, so if you do have a little stove or a Jetboil like I have here, let's talk about some easy to cook options. So we'll start with ones that are just boiling water. So you probably already saw it. We got some noodles. That's super easy to do. You could do some mac and cheese. Instant mashed potatoes are also another really great thing that all you need is boiling water for. And you could have it with all sorts of things. But one of my favorite meals is what I'm making right here. It's basically a Thanksgiving dinner, and you just need a packet of gravy, some stuffing mix, and either canned turkey or turkey jerky. And it tastes really good. It doesn't look appetizing, but it tastes good. You could do some oatmeal like I just cooked this morning to have breakfast here. And yeah, I'm sure you can think of a variety of other options where just having boiling water is all you need. So that's also why I really do like having a Jetboil. It's not a cheap investment, but it's super fast. It boils in like just a couple minutes, so it just makes it even easier for me to have something to eat, like even have my morning coffee. And yeah, if I'm really craving something warm, then I can have noodles and stuff like that. Okay, so if you have a little stove, like a little propane stove, I have one of those one burner propane stoves, and they are really small. I'll show you a little video clip of them. And it was only like $25, so those stoves are super cheap and really handy to have. So then you just need that, obviously a pan and a pot, and then you could heat up meals really easily. So you could do things like, you could go super easy, like just heating up a can of soup. Maybe you want to have some canned pasta, or yeah, anything. Beans, maybe you want to cook up some beans and make like a little stir fry with, one of my favorite things is those pre-cooked rice packs. So normally you heat them in the microwave, but you can actually just fry them up in a frying pan. And then yeah, maybe add some beans, chickpeas, black beans, and veggies if you have them. And there you go, super simple. That'd take maybe like 5 minutes to cook up. And then yeah, of course, if you have meat with you too, like if you got the pre-cooked chicken, you've got the canned chicken, or whatever you prefer, and super simple. So another great meal to make is quesadillas. So you just need tortillas, cheese, and either beans or meat of your choice, and vegetables if you prefer. But you could keep it super simple. You could even just have cheese and then just have the dips with it, like salsa and guacamole if you want to make it more filling. So yeah, those are the very simple options there. I'm sure you can think of a few other things, but I was trying to keep it around like 5 to 10 minutes max that you would have to cook it, so that it is super easy, so you can be on the go really fast. Okay, so just some final bonus tips for you. Something I've really noticed here recently is our dollar stores have been getting way better with food selection. So obviously they don't have fresh foods, but they have a lot of really good packaged foods that you would normally find in the grocery store for like half the price. So if you need canned beans, canned meat, noodles, pretty much like all of the dry food items I mentioned, go to the dollar store. It'll be like way cheaper. And then, yeah, otherwise, like I mentioned before, the grocery store delis are really good in North America. And, you know, just even getting some good fresh fruit and vegetables and the bagged salads, those are going to help out a lot too, and also be healthy. So anyway, I wanted to keep this video pretty short, you know, go with the theme here. We want quick ideas. We want this video to be quick. So anyway, if you have any more suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments so we can all help each other out. And yeah, otherwise let me know if there was anything that I mentioned that you weren't thinking about. And other than that, if you are really into adventure type videos, outdoor adventures, and you like tips like these, then please consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next video.